Oh, what a day! What a day we've had today. Tony's on fire. He's been finding some epic relics. He has found, on the first hole he got here, he got his detector out, his little dais with a tiny little coil, and his first hole he had this spectacular little silver brooch. Oh, it's a beautiful little silver brooch. I can't show it to you now, obviously. I'll show you that at the main event. And then we just did like a little, me and him doing like digging signals that I'd found with the GPX. Oh, it's getting a bit nippy. Sun's going down. Oh, and I can see it touching the horizon. Yeah, we just done that, and I said, oh, you can do your own thing now, you know. And then he went off. 2 holes later, bang, his very first hammered coin. Woohoo! His first hammered, a little Eddie Groat, I think. I'm not sure on the date, but I'll put a close-up of the coin in the video I'm going to do later on. But yeah, what a day! I mean, I found a few coins, nothing like spectacular. His little dais is just been whipping it out of the ground like nobody's business. I might have to get one. No chance. Right, I got a lovely beer today, Old Empire, 5.7%, woohoo, 5.7, yeah, I'm going to need it on the way home. The sun's going down, it's a clear sky, it's going to be dead drafty tonight. Right, where's my bottle opener? Yeah, he's still out there, look, he's found one hammered, he wants to find half a dozen now. Oh, yeah, Old Empire. Oh, lovely, that is lovely drop of stuff. So yeah, oh, what a day. It's been lovely and sunny, a little bit of a cool breeze when it goes behind the cloud, the sun obviously. But, oh, yeah, we haven't had a day like this for about a week. Matt hadn't been available because on the day he was supposed to come out with me, or 2 days, it started raining. And it rained for a couple of days, sort of thing. Well, he hasn't got any of his own permissions. I've got loads of permissions, but he hasn't got any of his own. So I'm hoping at some point soon he'll get one of his own permissions, and then he'll be able to go out onto the land, whether it be piddling down with rain or not, because he can do it without me. Oh yeah. Oh, what's it say? A memorable and deceptively, I think, easy drinking IPA. This is an aromatic recreation of a beer style created for and enjoyed throughout the Empire. Woohoo, the Empire. Goldings, Fuggles and American Cascade hops combined to give a crisp citrus hop aroma, yeah, slightly citrusy, with a balanced bitterness finish. Yes, the Empire. Make Great Britain an Empire again. That's what we should have. Red t-shirts with Make Great Britain an Empire again. Yeah, yeah. Right, oh, it's fantastic beer, really is. If you see this in the shops, Old Empire, you should get it. Look at all the awards. It's got loads of awards. Oh yeah, you know, this is won medals. This beer won medals. It is a deceptively strong ale. Yeah, sun's going down. He's still out there, keen as mustard. Now he's found it hammered. He wants to find half a dozen now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, right. Oh, God, it's getting cold. I might have to pack up soon because it's temperature's like plummeting. So, what have we got to talk about? What's the news? Now Cliff is the chap who's going to design my super duper machine with the huge coil, the 40 by 20 inch coil. He sent me a design, and we're tweaking the design of the machine, the carrying sort of setup of the way we're going to put the thing together. I've emailed a couple of companies in Australia asking them where to get one of these super big coils from. Some chap did send it to me on Gumtree, but I think that's been sold. And it was Gumtree Australia as well. I don't think when it said by collection, I'd have to fly to Australia and fly back. It might be a bit pricey. Might be cheaper just for them to go to a regular company and get them to send me the coil. And then what else? The robotic metal detectors, we're still like trying to figure out the design of the robotic metal detector, but that's going to be years away. Right, I'm going to have to pack up because the temperature is plummeting it is. Oh, here comes Tony. He's had a good day, Tony. Yeah, he's found loads of relics. He's found more relics than me. What's going on? This pesky Deus. I might have to get one. No chance. Oh yeah, I'll show you the sunset in a minute. It's a beautiful vision of sunshine going down. Right, we're off. Cheers.